How to stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily stop your Google Chrome browser from stopping you from download. So if you're also facing the issue where you want to download certain videos or applications or anything, and the Google Chrome doesn't allow you to download or simply blocks it off just like that. So what you can do is in that condition is just click on this three dot icon over here and just head over to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, just click on this privacy and security option, and then from over here just head over to security once again. And if you have enabled this option, most probably that is why your restriction for the download occurs, because it enables and the extreme restriction or extreme protections there should I say against the dangerous sites. So even if it's not dangerous, it detects that those sites as dangerous and it doesn't simply allow you to download from those sites. So what you can instead do is just click on this no protection option and just click on this turn off button, and just make sure you re-download that particular file which you were downloading previously. So that is exactly how you can easily turn off your Google from preventing your Google Chrome from your downloads. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.